Hello guys, apologies for the wait. Today I'm going to teach you how to fly with my bird build. I'm tired of getting messages from you guys. I don't mind. Okay, for guildmates, they're a little silly. I'm helping them prog, or they're progging this build right now. This is the prototype. It's not going to be the same as the one I'm going to be setting in the description. Well, this one's like an experimental one. Can I excuse them? Here's how you fly. It's basically this, just dash up with a bird. Yeah, and you need Tyrant Pendant here to like not die of fall damage. You pretty much have infinite uptime. And a cool trick, Flame Ballista. Whee! Ow. Yeah, you have pretty much infinite spare time. Just like that, that. You have Wind Passage and Astral Wind to cancel fall damage. But I'd still recommend you guys run Tyrant Pendant because Featherfall is just way too good. Way too good. And there's going to be two build versions of this. It's going to be the Assassin one and the Mage one. I suggest you guys use the Mage one because I think it's just better in my opinion. More range of Air Force and Windforge. And yeah, that's pretty much how you fly with this build. Just like put dashes in between. Okay, just like that. If you want more height, Flame Ballista. The only problem is like running out of like your wings, but it's just pretty simple. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do this build. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have fun in the depths, guys. See you.